According to new research from Catalyst, empathy is no longer a nice-to-have for leaders. It's a strategic imperative. Companies whose leaders embrace empathy have a decided edge, including boosted productivity, innovation, and engagement, decreased burnout, employees who feel respected and valued, work-life balance being supported, fostering inclusive employee experiences, and lower intent to leave. But saying you're empathic isn't enough. Leaders must demonstrate their empathy through intentional words, actions, behaviors, and decisions. Here are 4 ways how. Number 1, practice putting others first. Asking your team members, "Is everything okay?" is a great start, but also make it a priority to get to know them as people, not just employees. Number 2, create a safe space for sharing. People may be reluctant to open up if they feel they'll be judged or criticized, so give an employee the space to share. Number 3, don't assume others know how you feel. Regularly remind your team members that you care about them, understand their challenges, and want to help. Number 4, listen more and talk less. When listening to someone, resist the urge to multitask or interrupt. Instead, give others your full and undivided attention so you can truly listen to what matters most to them and ask follow-up questions to make sure you understand. By choosing to lead with empathy, you'll foster a more productive, innovative, and inclusive environment where people feel valued.